Everybody's been asking me, how is the finish? How is the polishing? Well, I'm wet sanding the car and a lot of the dead paint's coming off, and all we can do is do my best and hope it will come up. It's a lot of dead paint. You can see it was very yellow, it was very faded out, very dry. So you go through the different stages of grit, of wet sanding, and then you polish it. So I'm not going to get my hopes up till it's all done, but let me show you what else I'm doing on the car right now too. The welder just left. We still have to vacuum and clean up the bits and pieces, but I can honestly tell you that the car now is 100% done with regards to welding. He patched every hole he could find. As you can see, there's small and then there's bigger ones, and he's coming back just with seam sealer to go over any, like on this side, he's got this side seam sealed but not that side. But the welding part, the cutting and the grinding and the tacking, welding, it's all finished. So it's been a ton of work, but I can honestly tell you, I can sell this car with 200% good feelings, you know, like a clean spirit or clean conscience. I've done more than most people would have done to bring this car back to life, and I'm happy to say that she's almost there. The wet sanding is what I have left to do, as I've already showed you. Polish, and then put white walls on it. Sound deadener on the floors and trunk. New carpets, interior back in, and new carpet for the trunk. And she's going on the auction block. Now, I have a full-time job and a young family, which come first. So, God willing, I hope before September the car will be on Hemmings and you can buy it. But you can buy this car with 100% certainty that it's going to be a solid turnkey automobile. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all down the road.